There's always been something about putting on an event that's been fun to me. So even though it's sports and entertainment, it's that second portion that I really like, the facility management, being able to manage a venue, being able to put on these events, and I just like seeing people happy.
RA 154, it's a fun course. We go through the theoretical and the conceptual aspect of what's it take to operate back of house and front of house, everything from security, ADA, fire risk safety, risk management, meeting the needs of a show or a tour that's coming in, dealing with promoters, dealing with artists. We also go on venue visitations, so we go to either the Los Angeles Basin, Sacramento, or the Bay Area to look at facilities. And we're looking at the behind-the-scenes operations of a facility. The aspect going away from the classroom to the venues is the exciting part, because now the students have an opportunity to ask questions of venue professionals in all types of different facilities.
It was actually Dr. Mahoney's encouragement for me to come to the Rose Bowl and getting into the internship program. He connected me with at the time, the chief operations officer for here at the Rose Bowl Stadium. I would go to Dr. Mahoney, I'm like, he's not answering me, I don't know what to do. Like, I'm not gonna get this internship and I don't know how to get in and finish my course. And he's like, it's okay, just keep pushing. It helped me, it supported me, and honestly got me where I am today.
Really importantly is our students can look at the alum and say, wow, look at these young professionals. They're Fresno State, they're Bulldogs. If they can do it, I can do it.
I didn't realize I could be a leader until I actually took this class. I finally found something that I'm passionate about. I think it wasn't until I actually found this major that I realized, I can find happiness in the career that I want to do. There's something appealing to me that putting on an event, setting it up, seeing it go, and then tearing it back down, and then having a blank canvas, it just calls to me.
I definitely see that excitement and that awe of, wow, this is a huge venue. Just being able to support students and being able to kind of explain what I've gone through, what my process has been to get to where I am, and see that light in their eyes it's fun. It's really exciting to see that next generation growing up to move into the industry.
People here in Fresno, they do have the potential to be able to stand out and to be able to work in these industries. Each person here is unique, and I've met so many students that have a lot of positive things that they bring to the table. And it makes me feel, what can I do to be able to better stand out so I can also have those opportunities like Janessa as well.
By pulling together these major events, it could be for 200 people or for 2,000 or over 100,000. By focusing on the facilities and that grounded knowledge, it broadens their horizons so much. The great thing about it is the industry right now is hiring. They're looking for young people to enter the industry. I'm a believer in networking. I've seen students being offered an internship on the spot, just by how they were dressed, the questions that they asked that were fantastic questions, and impressed the personnel so much that they came up and said, Doc, who's that student? I want to offer them an internship.
You grow by talking and communicating with people, and being able to share my knowledge with them only means we're going to have more successful venues, more successful people, and bringing them into the industry so that they can actually move forward and providing a great experience for other people too.
We are the only sport entertainment facility management program within the California State University system. So for Fresno State to have that, I think it's a pride point for the university, and it's definitely a pride point of mine personally.
Makes you realize how much of a privilege it is to be here at Fresno State, that I found that passion, I found my career, and that I'm going to be able to get into it as soon as I graduate.